Hello friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making eggs with potatoes and that is really delicious recipe. So let's start now. So I have added 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan and this is the 9 eggs that I will fry. And I have coated with turmeric. So it looks a little bit more good. And we will just fry a couple of minutes with medium-high heat. So at this point I will add cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, 2 bay leaves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamom, and 2 cloves and few black pepper. So we will let it. I will add 1 large onion and I will let it cook until it's golden brown. So it will take a couple of minutes and after that we will add other ingredients. So friends, you can see that our onion fries very well. At this point I will add a tablespoon of each ginger paste, garlic paste and also green chili paste. And also I am adding some few green chillies because we like it, so I like to add it. But if you don't like it, don't add that because it's quite a bit spicy. This is like about 30 seconds we have to fry with this one, all ingredients. And also I will add 2 medium tomatoes, at this time I will add some of our dry ingredients, which is I have 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Also I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt and also like a 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmir chili powder. Kashmir chili powder is just for the look, but it stands very good. So if you can find in your local grocery stores, you may. And now we will let it fry these all ingredients together until it's cooked very good. So friends, you can see that our masala got roasted very well. At this point I will add mashed potato. I have took the 4 potatoes, which is medium size, and I boiled and smashed that. So now I will add 1.5 cup water and also tablespoon of cilantro and mint. At this point also I will add eggs too and we will let it cook until it's boiled, like one good boil on medium high, and I will cover my pot so it will cook faster.